Hey, Chairman, you're in Bombela.
Hey, my network, the problem is that my network is not working. My SIM card is in Mexico. You see, I bought a SIM card from Bula here, and the reason it was released by Orlando Pirates, it is because he didn't have network when they called him. Yes, his SIM card. Yes, SIM
Much on Bafana's loss to Mexico. I'm going to tell you about the new Kaizer Chiefs signing, massive signing. He's signing AS Tatu Yaga Lokuzan, incoming coach Lokuzan Fernando da Cruz. And we know you heard Mthokozisi Dube with a post saying that the Kaizer Chiefs coach is currently in South America concluding business. I will reveal why the new incoming Kaizer Chiefs coach was in South Africa. I'll reveal who that player is. Before I reveal the player, let's watch this video quickly and then we'll talk about the player afterwards.
Of this campaign, Mthokozisi Dube, he tells me he's been chatting to the new coach of Kaizer Chiefs, which means that he knows who that person is. And that's the beautiful thing. How was that conversation? Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you so much, Rob, and good evening to the shareholders of this beautiful show.
You're sitting with the former Kaizer Chiefs coach,
Yep.
and you've just spoken to the new Kaizer Chiefs coach. How is he feeling? Is he excited to be coming into the hot seat?
He's still busy winding up his business somewhere in South America as we speak.
In South America?
Yeah, someone will be confused by the South America, but yeah, he's there.
And his English is okay?
Not too bad.
He needs a translator?
No, he doesn't.
His message will go straight to the players.
Straight to the players.
When does he start?
Yeah, they've seen him before.
Yeah,
they've spoken to him before, and I think appreciated the work that he did for, I think it was 2 weeks. So they regroup on the 22nd of June.
Mm-hmm.
So by then he'll be here.
Contract signed, sealed, and delivered.
Signed, sealed, and delivered.
Coach Kevin Johnson, do you know who this individual is?
This was 2 weeks before he was there for 2 weeks. Then
Yeah, that was talking about the incoming Kaizer Chiefs coach, Fernando da Cruz. Just a quick touch on Bafana. Let's talk about the performance of Bafana on comments section below. I don't want to dwell too much on Bafana, as I've been saying from before even the start of the World Cup in Bafana. They won't win any games in this World Cup. This is going to be South Africa's worst World Cup. Not because I'm negative or I'm the prophet of doom. No, I'm very much patriotic and I hope to be wrong. I really hope to be wrong about this prediction. But looking at football from Mangi analyze, from a bird's eye, from a hawk's eye, I think when I look at the teams, we will be lucky to get a draw, to come away with a draw. What I'm disappointed with watching the game against Mexico is the lack of identity. Hugo Bros adlala ngale system beyidlala ngo Steve Compella. Remember Steve Compella waxoshwa ama-fans naphayana eDurban eThekwini for playing for the same system that Kaizer Chiefs fans couldn't identify with. Hugo Bros playing that same system that South Africans don't identify with. We don't play with full backs. We don't play with 5 defenders, 6 defenders, and you play with 2 defensive midfielders, and you try and play with 2 strikers. You don't have a playmaker. You don't have a baller there to supply those strikers. I don't remember Hugo Bros playing 2 strikers ever. We've been to AFCON. I don't think none of us can identify with even the football that they were playing, and I think he was just trying to play for a draw, trying to stop Mexico from scoring, and probably maybe trying to frustrate them and maybe attack them in the last 20 minutes. I don't know. What are your thoughts? That was a below par performance. Sakhumbula bojomo wabuya na 4 points World Cup. The worst coach ever for me to coach Bafana was Philippe Crozier. I hope Hugo Bros will not be worse than Philippe Crozier. Excuse my English. but yeah, that is how it is. Yeah, with 2010 Saitola 4 points, France Saitola 4 points, and we've had 4 points on a couple of occasions. Unfortunately, we couldn't go to the group stages, but yeah, this was a really pathetic and disappointing, and I don't expect Bafana to do well or to get even a win in this World Cup. However, guys, I do hope I am wrong. I will be rooting for Bafana on Thursday. Right, who is the new Kaizer Chiefs signing? That is why we are here. And if you've reached this far, if you've watched this far, remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe, guys. Let me give you a rundown on the new signing. Lapayana, coach Njomba Batbegas, South America. He was in Colombia to negotiate with Giancarlo Poveda. He's playing for Internacional de Bogotá. He's a Colombian, and in terms of age, he is still young at 26 years, and he was born in London. He's played for Academy at Chelsea, Manchester City, and Arsenal. Those are big name clubs, so it looks like he's had good development. He is a winger, attacking midfielder, can play left wing, he can play right wing. However, his favorite position, Udlala Lapayana, right wing. They say that potentially if Lilepo is sold by Kaizer Chiefs, he could be his replacement. That is Giancarlo Poveda, 26-year-old, Chelsea, Arsenal, and Man City winger. You'll also remember Kaizer Chiefs scouted Lilepo Lapayana France. So this is probably another player, Kaizer Chiefs. You know that Kaizer Chiefs will have a few foreign spots available. And yeah, I'm not happy to hear that Lilepo wants to leave. But yeah, Kaizer Chiefs, they are negotiating with this player. He still has a 1-year contract, so Kaizer Chiefs do have power, controlling power over Lilepo. Noma angathi ufuna ukuhamba yena, but yeah, it's Kaizer Chiefs that are ultimately going to decide. But yeah, I don't advise keeping an unhappy player. If a player wants to go, I would advise Kaizer Chiefs to let him go and look for other players. Yeah, there are better players out there. Unfortunately, Lilepo, he was a key player this past season and one of the best players at Kaizer Chiefs. And it's unfortunate that so yeah, guys, that is all I have for today. Just wanted to tell you about Giancarlo Poveda, that winger that is linked with Kaizer Chiefs. He is Colombian, and yeah, he could be a big signing if Kaizer Chiefs they manage to wrap him up. And I believe that when the Unimzulu's chest, she said that the announcements they are going to come probably in the next week, the coming week. They are going to announce a new coach, and then they will begin announcing new signings in the incoming days. So watch out for those news. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers. Bye-bye.